Hi, Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how you can take a t-shirt, I've thrifted this one, and a quilt block, and do something special. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. For this project, you're just going to need a t-shirt. I thrifted this one, but any t-shirt will work. And then you're going to want a quilt block. This is my star from Charm Squares. I will put a link to that tutorial in the description so that you could make this star if you would like to. The first thing I did was just like try on the t-shirt, and then I placed the block on my chest while I had it on so I could know where I wanted it when I'm wearing it, so it's in the right place. And then I just stuck a needle and thread there so I would know where the corner was, and I'm just going to pull this through and kind of leave me a tail here, and then I'm just going to cut that. I know this is one corner, and I'm just going to do that with each of the corners. I'm going to go through, make sure I'm just going through one layer of the t-shirt. Just cut that. I'm going to do that on all four corners of the block. Then I'm going to turn my t-shirt inside out. I don't know if you can see, but I have these little stitch marks where I put where the corners are, and I'm going to take my block, line it up on those stitch marks, and then I'm going to take pins and pin my block in place. So I'm only going through one layer. I'm just pinning all the way around my quilt block, and I can take this to my machine and I'm going to sew my quilt block on with a 1/4 inch seam all the way around. So you'll get it sewn on like this, and we're going to turn our shirt so it's right side out. You will want to pay attention, but I kind of wanted you to be able to see the stitching, but you might want to do it a matching color so it doesn't show up. I'm not even sure if you can see the white stitching on the, anyway. Then we're going to separate the quilt block from the shirt. Make a little snip here. I'm going to come and I'm going to cut it about a 1/4 inch from my stitching. I'm also going to kind of clip into the corners so that this kind of reels back. And that's how you just jazz up your t-shirt. It's fun and easy. If you're looking for more fun, quick wins sewing projects, make sure to check out my quick wins. I'll put a description in the link below. And if you want more blocks to use on your projects, make sure you check out my samplers. I have summer nights and blooms and baskets, and there's more coming, so watch for them. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.